Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Make for automating workflows in apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin subscribing to Make for automating workflows in apps, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Make website. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required details, including your email address and password. After entering your information, agree to the terms, then, click on Create Account to finish the registration process. Once your account is created, check your email for a verification link. Click the link to verify your email address. Now that your account is active, log into the Make platform. You will land on the dashboard, where you can explore available templates. Review the different subscription options available. Choose the plan that meets your needs. You may be prompted to enter your payment information. Provide your payment details and confirm your selection. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation. Now you're ready to start creating workflows. Browse through the various app integrations offered on the platform. Select the apps you want to connect and start building your automation. Refer to tutorials or the help section if you need guidance. Enjoy automating your workflows with Make. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.